Good morning friends, my name is B. Anand from 7th B. I would like to explain physics in social studies. First lesson, reading maps of different kinds. There are two important topics in the lesson. First important topic, states and capitals. Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Goa, Panaji, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, West Bengal, Kolkata, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Bihar, Patna, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Telangana, Hyderabad, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Sikkim, Gangtok, Assam, Dispur, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Nagaland, Kohima, Meghalaya, Shillong, Manipur, Impal, Mizoram, Ajwal, Tripura, Agartala. Second important topic, tributaries of Godavari and Krishna. Tributaries of Godavari, Penganga, Venganga, Pranahita, Manjira, Maner. Tributaries of Krishna, Tungabhadra, Dindi, Musi. Second lesson, rains and rivers. There are two important topics in the lesson. First important topic, 6 stages of water cycle. They are evaporation, transportation, condensation, precipitation, runoff, groundwater. Second important topic, 33 districts of Telangana. Adilabad, Nirmal, Nizamabad, Kamareddy, Sangareddy, Vikarabad, Mehbubnagar, Narayanpet, Jogulamba, Gadwal, Vanapatti, Nalgonda, Nagar Karnool, Suryapet, Khammam, Bhadradri, Kottagudem, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, Mulugu, Peddapalli, Manchiryal, Hasibabad, Jagityal, Rajanna Sirisilla, Karimnagar, Medak, Siddipet, Warangal Urban, Medchal, Jangam, Warangal Rural, Mehbubabad, Yadadri, Bhuvanagiri, Hyderabad, Rangareddy. Third lesson, tanks and groundwater. There are one important topic in the lesson, that is Mission Kakatiya, Mana Uru Mana Cheruvu. After formation of new state, the government of Telangana started a new program for minor irrigation. This program called Mission Kakatiya, Mana Uru Mana Cheruvu aims at the removal tanks, silt beds and repairing and construction of tank bunds on about 47,000 tanks. Fourth lesson, oceans and fishing. There are two important topics in the lesson. First important topic, relief features of an ocean. Continental shelf, continental slope, deep sea plain, trench. Second important topic, ocean water have three kinds of movements. They are waves, currents, tides. Fifth lesson, Europe. There are two important topics in the lesson. First important topic, Europe countries, Russia, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Iceland, Ireland, United Kingdom, Netherlands, Denmark, Germany, Belgium, France, Spain, Portugal, Switzerland, Italy, Austria, Czech Republic, Poland, Slovakia, Hungary, Romania, Greece, Bulgaria, Moldova, Ukraine, Belarus, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. Second important topic, rivers of Europe. N. Dwina River, W. Dwina River, Vistula River, Oder River, Elbe River, Rhine River, Shine River, Lore River, Po River, Danube River, DPR River, Don River, Volga River. Sixth lesson, Africa. There are 6 important topics in the lesson. First important topic, countries of Africa. Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Niger, Mali, Mauritania, Western Sahara, Senegal, Guinea, Liberia, the Gambia, Sierra Leone, Costa Ivory, Guinea-Bissau, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Central African Republic, South Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Somalia, Uganda, Cameroon, Togo, Benin, Ghana, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Republic of Congo, Angola, Namibia, South Africa, Lesotho, Swaziland, Botswana, Madagascar, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Mozambique, Tanzania, Kenya, Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda, Burundi. Second important topics: rivers of Africa, Niger, Volta, Chad, Sudan, Zambezi, Nile. Third important topic: the highest peak in Africa, Kilimanjaro. Fourth important topic: the largest lake in Africa, Lake Victoria. Fifth important topic: the largest desert in world and Africa continent is Sahara Desert. Sixth important topic: the longest river in Africa continent and world, Nile River. Seventh lesson: handicrafts and handlooms. There are two important topics in the lesson. First important topic: weaving the saree. First step: preparing the yarn. Second step: marking the designs. Third step: dyeing the yarn. Fourth step: thread can be used for weaving. Second important topic: tools for weaving. Wooden loom, small nail, bobbin, mangum. Eighth lesson: Industries Revolution. There are one important topic in the lesson, that is energies: solar energy, hydroelectricity, petroleum, natural gas, thermal energy, nuclear energy. Ninth lesson: production in a factory, a paper mill. There are two important topics in the lesson. First important topic: process of paper making. Chipping, making the wood pulp, spreading the pulp, pressing, drying, rolling, cutting. Second important topic: types of workers. Casual workers, permanent workers, contract workers. 10th lesson: important transport system. There are three important topics in the lesson. First important topic: types of transport system. Roadways, railways, airways, waterways. Secondly, a road network system. A road network system called National Highway number 44 runs through the Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Third important topic: the Telangana State Road Corporation is the government awarded transport system which employs about 64,000 to run about 10,000 buses. 11th lesson: New Kings and Kingdoms. There are two important topics in the lesson. First important topics: kingdoms in 700 to 1100 CE. Shahis, Domes, Gurhalavadas, Palas, Senas, Gangas, Cholas, Pandyas, Cheras, Rashtrakutas, Paramaras, Chalukyas, Gujara Pratiharas, Muhilas, Chendilas, Chahmanas. Second important topic: types of land. Velanvagai, the land of non-Brahmin property. Brahmadeya, land gifted for Brahmins. Shalabhoga, land for the maintenance of a school. Devadara and Tirmamattukani, land gifted for temples. Pallichichihagam, land donated to Jaina institutions. 12th lesson: the Kakatiya regional kingdom. The regional kingdom. There are two important topics in the lesson. First important topic: important Kakatiya rulers. Lola 2, Rudradeva, Ganapati Deva, Rudramadevi, Prataparudra 2. Second important topic, Nayakara system. Rudramadevi and Prataparudra encouraged many skilled warriors who from not any powerful families, but they were loyal to their king and the queen. Authority to collect taxes where they could collect taxes. Their villages called the Nayakaras. The Nayakaras depend upon the king or the king or the queen and remaining loyal to them. They were also probably used to subdue their rebellious chiefs. These arrangements are called Nayakara system. 13th lesson, Kings of Vijayanagara. There are 4 important topics in the lesson. First important topic, important Vijayanagara rulers. Hariharaya 1, Bukaraya 1, Hariharaya 2, Devaraya 2, Salva Narasimharaya, Krishnadevaraya, Achyutaraya, Alyaramaraya, Venkatapati. Important topics of particular value are the detailed accounts left by travelers from several countries. Niccolo Conti from Italy, who visited Vijayanagara kingdom in 1420th century. Abdul Razak, Persian trader, who visited in 1423 century. Portuguese traders. Domingo Flores, who visited in 1520th century. Nunes, who wrote in 1537th century. Third important topic, Ashtadigajas. Allasani Peddana, Mukku Timmana, Jurjati, Ramaraja Bhushana, Tenali Ramakrishna, Pingal Surana, Ajay Raju Ramabhadrudu and Madaigan Malana. Fourth important topic, Qutub Shahi's timeline. Quli Qutub Shah, Jamshed Quli, Ibrahim Qutub Shah, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, Muhammad Qutub Shah, Abdullah Qutub Shah, Abu Hasan Khan Shah. 14th lesson, Mughal emperors. There are 2 important topics in the lesson. Babar, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Second important topic, Asad Shah's timeline. Nizam ul Mulk, first Nizam, Nasir Jain, Salabat Jain, Musfar Jain, Nizam Ali Khan, second Nizam, Sikindar Jah, third Nizam, Nasir Uddola, fourth Nizam, Afzal Uddola, fifth Nizam, Mir Mehboob Ali Khan, sixth Nizam, Mir Usman Ali Khan, seventh Nizam. 15th lesson, establishment of British Empire in India. There are 1 important topic in the lesson. Revolt in 1857. Place, the military canyon at Meerut, where the British Army camped. Date, Sunday, May 10, 1857. The sun was about to set when the Indian Army firing their guns on their English officers. These were same who helped to English to conquer the kingdom of India. They were now fed up with the bravest of English. They were not getting the salaries in time and they were not treating with respect in English army. Top of this, the Sipahis suspected that cartridges in new guns rifles coated with cow and pig fat. Thank you everyone.
Very good.